Hi, my name's Healy, and I work at the John Deere factory in Augusta, Georgia that builds these tractors that I'm sitting on. So today I'm sitting on a 1025R. So this is a 25 horsepower tractor in our compact utility tractor line. One of the most versatile tractors that we have in our portfolio. You see today it's got a 120R loader. This is our self-leveling loader, so it keeps the load of the tractor and what you're lifting level at all times. Very nice feature of ours. It also is equipped with a 60-inch drive over mower deck. So that mower deck will allow you to mow grass just like a normal lawnmower. I had a lot of people today stop by and tell me that it's good for ditch mowing, maintaining around large properties and large acreage when you don't want to use a small mower. And that drive over deck feature allows you to disconnect this mower in less than 30 seconds, pretty much, just one trip off. So you can easily convert to using the loader or using the mower. The loader itself also is quick disconnect, so if you don't want to have that hanging out in front of you while you're mowing, you can take it off again in less than 30 seconds and put it back on just about the same amount of time. So after that, in the back is a standard 3-point hitch. So this one's equipped with an eye match, so you can get machines on and off or attachments on and off. But because it has a standard 3-point hitch and 540 PTO, you can connect pretty much any attachment you've got on your farm designed for a smaller tractor. So not only can you use this like a big heavy-duty lawnmower, but you can also use it like a small tractor for around the smaller acreage or even maintain the larger acreage. Another popular thing to do with this is put a front hitch on it, and you can get a snowblower for it. So when you got all those driveways to clear and all those pathways, instead of having to shovel and plow and do all those things, you put a snowblower in the front of it and take care of it in just a few minutes. Additionally, you can put a front snow blade on it, so if you don't want to deal with the loader doing the snow, you can also do that for snow removal for, again, these large and small properties. So I hope you enjoyed this short overview of the 1025R. And if you want more information, you can go to johndeere.com or contact your local dealer.